How to fix cannot renew or see history from the previous seasons on FPL. Hey guys, let's get started. First of all, let's see the issues and solution methods for renewing your team. For this, first of all, you have to check the renewal timing. Renewal typically occurs at the start of a new season or when the previous season ends. The second option would be updating your application or browser. For this, you can go to the latest version of FPL application via the Play Store or App Store. Or if you're using a web browser, you can clear your browser cache and cookies. Another thing that you need to check is verifying your account status. Ensure that your account is not suspended or restricted. Also, make sure you have logged in correctly with the correct credentials. However, if the issue persists, you can try accessing FPL from a different device or browser to see if the problem is device specific. Talking about viewing history from previous season, you have to navigate to the correct section. It is called as history. This season typically shows past performance including points, ranks, and team details. Another thing you need to do is refresh or update the page. However, if nothing works, you will have to contact the FPL support. For this, you can contact the customer support or you can send it a mail. To get the mail ID, just open Play Store and then search for Premier League. Inside Premier League, you will see an option called as App Support, and there you have the email in which you can contact to. And that is all for today's video. For any questions, do not forget to drop on the comment section. Until then, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.